All right, everybody. We are 2 days, 9 hours, 31 minutes, and 21 seconds away from going to space with Virgin Galactic and Sir Richard Branson. For those of us who've been following along the past few days, we've been learning a lot about some different things happening with the stock, different things we're looking forward to, what we know is going to happen. And we're hoping for a stock price above 60. I think that's very, very achievable, even possibly by tomorrow. I do think we do have a good possibility of watching the share price get up to a new all-time high prior to the flight. And then, I mean, who knows, going beyond the flight and the good news that is supposed to be released, we will see what is going to be talked about for the share price overall. A lot of people are trying to figure out what Richard Branson meant by good news being shared afterwards for that after the flight. And so, for any ideas out there, I mean, let me know down in the comments. I've heard all sorts of things as I've been researching on different speculations on what will be talked about. Right now, we don't have the information. It's not going to be really relevant until we have it. But what we do know is July 11th, we're looking mighty fine to get up into space, and everybody's getting excited about it all across the web. And today, even we've seen a good result of this. I mean, if we look at the stock price today, 52.69. What was it at yesterday? Around like lower mid 40s. And we came up about 17%, which is fantastic. In an aftermarket, we are up about $1, which is about 2%. So we are looking really good. I'm happy with this today. I went ahead and bought in some shares, some more shares around the mid 40s earlier today. I talked about that yesterday, and I thought, you know what, this is a good time to do it. Watch the stock price start to go up a little bit, and I was thinking, well, this is still a good time for me to get in. So I went ahead and bought some more, and I'm really happy I did so because we landed ourselves on that 52.69 today. But again, this is just the short term. Okay, guys, like we are looking a few months ahead, even into the ticket sales. That's going to be a big deal. Okay. The lifeblood of a company is cash flow. Having that cash come in, we need that. Okay. We need more money coming in for Virgin Galactic to see it become profitable, to have that share price continue to go up and be happy shareholders. So right now, with all these different catalysts, this has been really fun, a good time to celebrate and to see that share price go up. And overall, more than just the share price, like what is actually being accomplished here? We're going to space. Space is like the gate to it has been open. People are getting up where they're seeing our wonderful blue home from above. And I think this is going to change a lot of things, a lot of really cool stuff for research. This is more than just about a stock price. I think a lot of other companies doing this too is just going to make the market expand, become more accessible for people. And that is also something to keep in mind. So very, very exciting stuff there. A couple fun things to check out. I was on swaggystocks.com. I definitely recommend checking out the site. It's just fun to check. It is really cool to check out. And we can see the Wall Street Bets ticker sentiment for SPCE and how that correlates with the stock price. I don't think this really means much for us, other than we know people are starting to talk about it more within Wall Street Bets. We can see that percentage gain there, which is kind of cool. So for all of you guys out there with your meme stocks, Wall Street Bets is your home. And there's some people out there today and Reddit even sharing their really, really nice positions that they got in space and how much money they made today with a 34% increase. That is pretty baller. That's amazing. So I love seeing other people getting stoked on their trading. Good stuff. So back to Swaggy Stocks here. Yeah, so just kind of check this one out. Sort of fun. And then also, I talked about this earlier, but we're in one of my last videos, and that's call options. If you don't know what this is all about, it's a way to make income off of your shares. Kind of cool stuff. And then relative to yesterday, we are seeing the call options and the premiums for them, if you sold one, to be very, very high right now. It's just insane. Like if I was to sell a call option for a strike price at $105, we're looking at, or even $100, we're looking at about $126 for that premium. And so what that means is that if it hits that stock price of $100, I'd guarantee that sell price by the expiring date of July 16th. If it hits that price, if it goes beyond that, I still guarantee the price of 100. If it never gets to 100, I get to keep that $126. So that's all hypothetical. These are certain things you can do if you have enough shares to sell calls. Kind of a cool way to make additional money. And so for more information on calls, if that's something that you're interested in, like I said before, check out some YouTube videos out there, learn about the different Greeks that are involved and about the call options themselves, and start to understand that sort of strategy itself. And that could be, pretty beneficial for you. So Cool stuff today, guys. We are looking pretty good. I'm excited for another full day of trading prior to the launch. We're going to see if we break that 60 mark. That is going to be cool. So hopefully we'll have some cool updates tomorrow for you and maybe some more news. I encourage you all to check out Virgin Galactic's Twitter account, Instagram as well. They're posting a lot of really fun stuff to kind of check out. Richard Branson's been posting a lot of good stuff too, and that's been fun to track. So y'all take care. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you later tomorrow. Bye-bye.